Just talk to me, Beskar.
We're done talking.
Daneben. Daneben. Alter, hat die Kraft. Hey, geht's noch?
Hit me. Oh, if this was a real fight, you'd be dead.
Sie hat gesagt, ich soll sie
Is
plagen.
this what you want?
Sorry, Schatze. So. Leg dich hin, bleib ruhig. Lass uns reden. Das war nicht so gemeint. Du weißt, was ich meine. So.
Talk about it.
Tell me, what are you so afraid of?
Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Weiter geht's mit Game of Thrones. Wir haben ein paar Leute, Bogenschützen, die auch gleichzeitig Schwertkämpfer sind, gekriegt. Also so Allround-Kämpfer. Feine Sache. Ich glaube 20 waren's. Kann man immer gebrauchen, sag ich mal. Das Volk hungert, glaube ich.
It's worse than I thought, isn't it?
Mhm.
Roderick! There you are. Lady Forrester!
What's wrong, Mother?
It's Griff. He was arguing with the Maester and things got out of hand.
I'm coming.
What do you mean to do? This could be our chance.
He's right. We must hurry before things get violent.
Badass.
I want to try talking to him first, see if we can work this out.
And if that fails,
Just don't forget your promise, Roderick.
the rest of my men are still in the grove.
Was für ein
They could be here in
Versprechen.
minutes.
I'll need every one of them for what
Ey,
I've got.
es ist schon ein Tag her, ich hab's schon
I'll have them
vergessen.
here as soon as possible.
Oh Mann,
Let's go.
wäre ich ein schlechter Game of Thrones Fuzzi, wenn ich dauernd meine Versprechen vergesse. Oder ich wäre ein guter,
Listen for my signal. Strike my cane when I want
weiß
to
schon,
enter.
der in den Türmen da. Wie
Will
hieß er denn? Weiß schon, gut. Gut, dass wir drüber geredet haben. Ja,
I'm coming with
Frei.
you.
Walter Frei.
It's not safe.
Also,
You should wait for your
ja,
brother.
I don't
okay.
care if it isn't safe. Griff thinks I belong to him. I need to show him I don't.
Together then.
Ich sollte jetzt, ich glaube, es wird ernst. Ich sollte jetzt aufhören, dumm Zeugs zu labern und da mal ein bisschen mehr bei der Sache bleiben. Volk, machet mir Platz. Ruckelt bitte zur Seite. Ich werde jetzt für euch einstehen. Sagt der Krüppel. Sorry, der war gemein. Boah, ich kann jetzt kämpfen.
Stop this at once.
Was macht er da drin?
That fight! Faster!
No, I tried.
You'd have tried harder for a Forester.
Was zur Hölle?
My lord, please.
I am the only lord who matters here. Roderick,
Help me.
tell your dog to obey his new master. And while you're at it, Elena Glenmore, what are you doing with him? You're supposed to be marrying
You? I'd rather marry a dead horse.
me. You watch your bloody tongue, or I'll give you what I'm giving the Maester.
Excuse me?
What's going on here, Griff?
He's disobedient, just like you are, Roderick. So now he's paying the price.
Alter!
Don't believe you.
You're a piece of shit, Griff. You know that.
Oh, you got quite the mouth on you, Roderick.
Gelacht, hat ihm doch gefallen.
You know what I think?
My brother is ready.
I think you need another lesson in humility. Just like your maester here. You can watch if you like. Then you'll see who's the man.
Komm doch her, komm. Komm doch her, wenn du was willst. Komm,
Go
komm
ahead.
her.
Come at me, Griff.
Oh shit, ich muss gleich kämpfen, glaube ich.
Pleasure.
Okay, wie... Aha. Aha.
Ah, you fucking... You're dead, Roderick!
I doubt that.
I doubt it.
Him! Don't just stand there! He is not the Lord... are your orders?
I'm the only one here who gives the orders. What are you waiting for? Come on, defend your lord.
Take their weapons.
What are you doing? Drop it.
Now.
This is my hall. You have no right to be here.
Now then, about humility.
Get your hands off me.
Maester, are you all right?
Yes, I think so. My father will go straight to Roose Bolton. He'll flay you and your sister and your whole fucking family.
I did warn you, Griff.
You gonna hurt me? Your friends won't be around forever, Roderick. And when they're gone, I will see that you pay for this.
Kann man da machen. Ich heiße Gewalt nicht gut. Außer, mir ist die Hand ausgerutscht. Sorry, ich wollte eigentlich hier auf Abbrechen gehen.
Is
Tut
this
mir
the
leid.
man you'd rather have? This cripple.
Oh, sorry, der Krüppel hat auch noch einen Stock.
Enough! That's enough!
Reicht, ja? Guck
Are you
mal.
satisfied?
Das Problem ist, ich weiß nicht, wo bei mir die Rechtsklick-Taste ist. Ach, hier. Oh, no. Oh, du hast da was im Auge.
Fuck you, Roderick.
Ich wollte es nur wegwischen, weißt du, wie so eine Mutter. Oder immer so ein Taschentuch, weißt du so? Und dann so... Und dann so... Bin eine gute Mutter, bin ich.
This isn't over, Roderick!
Ja, ich weiß, dass wir hier, wenn wir 100% Badass machen wollten, hätten wir noch weiter auf ihn einprügeln können oder so.
You cannot reach High Point. You must be sure of it. Not as long as they still hold Ryan.
Und jetzt Raben töten oder was?
Kill the Ravens.
Kill the
All of
Ravens.
them.
Okay, na das lief doch schon mal gut. Da wird bestimmt kein Problem draus entstehen. Ich sehe da irgendwie keine Möglichkeit, dass das problematisch werden könnte.
And your
That's
queen.
enough! So long as you're in
Echt mal
my
los.
camp, you will obey my orders. And getting pissed drunk before a mission.
Obey?
You know what kind of shit-brained fool does that? One who wants to fucking die out there! Have you lost your damn
I
mind?
am not some animal in a cage.
What in the seven bloody hells are
I
you
will not
talking
let you
about?
bark orders at me.
Hey, calm down. Calm down. What's going on here?
I'm not the one with the problem. It's him.
She can't fight like this, Asher.
You think I'm too drunk to fight? What the fuck
What
do
are you
know?
gonna do? Run out there swinging a fucking... Ah! Ah!
Okay,
Still
sie
think
kann
I can't
kämpfen.
fight?
You fucking bitch!
Oh, there we go.
Beskar
There's
ermutigen,
your
Croft
boy,
ermutigen.
remember?
Na, komm,
Hey,
komm.
come on, Beskar. Leave the poor
Let
man
go of me
alone.
before I break your fingers.
Deal with your friend. She'll get us all
You
killed.
sound scared, Croft.
This is bloody important.
You afraid your mother will spank you?
I will not let you two fuck
Or are
this
you
up.
looking forward to it?
I'll talk to her.
Good. If she can't hold it together, we're leaving without the both of you.
You think your little thumbcock can take Marine all by itself? I'd never work with a bloody shote like you
Beskar,
anyway!
what the hell is going on?
You gonna lecture me too?
Hey,
Croft
soll denn
doesn't know
das
shit
jetzt?
about anything. None of you do.
oh, sorry. Ich wollte eigentlich sowas sagen,
You
wie
think
hör
I
auf, mich
give
zu
two
kloppen
shits
oder
about
so.
what Croft has to say?
Ja, uff. Mädel.
You're the only reason I'm even fucking here. And you told your little dragon queen I would go into Marine with you. You brought me here.
Just talk to me, Beskar.
We're done talking.
Daneben. Daneben. Alter, hat die Kraft. Hey, geht's noch?
Hit me. Oh, if this was a real fight, you'd be dead.
Sie hat gesagt, ich soll sie
Is
plagen.
this what you want?
Sorry, Schatze. So. Leg dich hin, bleib ruhig. Lass uns reden. Das war nicht so gemeint. Du weißt, was ich meine. So.
Talk about it.
Tell me, what are you so afraid of?
I was a slave.
Ja und? Also ich meine, ja, ich verstehe, dass sie nicht zurück will, aber...
In this fucking
Ach so.
city.
Okay, ich verstehe vielleicht doch, warum sie nicht zurück will.
I was taken from my home when I was only 3 years old. When I was 7, my master threw me in the fighting pits to die. When my master tired of watching me kill animals for sport, he started sending other children. I butchered every one of them. After a while, I thought the fear was gone.
But you had no choice.
I did. I decided my life was worth saving. But theirs were not. There was this boy. We used to play 5 stones in the alley when we couldn't sleep. When I saw him next, he was in that pit with me. I saw the fear in his eyes. That same fear I felt my first time. And I realized it hadn't left me. I still wanted to live. I wanted it so badly. My master watched as I did it, smiling.
Here.
Thank you, little brother. I bought my freedom a long time ago, but I have always hated this place. Hated him. Dezor Zoraza. Because of that man. Marine is a city of dead children. Don't worry about me. I won't let you down.
I know you won't.
Vielleicht soll sie trotzdem... Ja, natürlich sollst du nicht trinken, aber... Kann man sie verübeln? Oh, ah.
You shouldn't say that.
Why not?
Mira, I'll meet you inside. What are you doing here?
I have to get in there, Sarah. I know I'm not supposed to attend, but...
Then you know Lady Marjorie doesn't want to see you. What could be so important?
Lord Whitehill is up to something. He's conspiring against my family. And someone in there is helping him.
Lady Marjorie would be furious, Mira. I can't. I'm sorry. I want to help you, but I can't risk it.
I'll take the blame. You can tell Marjorie I snuck in and you tried to stop me.
She's already thinking about replacing you. Are you sure you want to risk it?
I have to.
All right.
Da geht's jetzt wirklich
You
vom
owe me for this.
einen Kack in den anderen.
She's with me. We'll stay out of trouble. I promise.
Okay. Ich habe keine Ahnung, was ich jetzt hier machen soll. Außer nicht Marjorie über den Weg zu laufen.
Doesn't it? Not so long ago, King Joffrey sat on the Iron Throne.
Tommen is our king now.
Long may he reign.
Sarah! I was worried you'd run off with your friend there.
And what if I did?
I'm not sure I could blame you.
This is Lady Mira Forrester. Mira, Lord Garibald Tarwick.
She's quite lovely. Where have you been hiding her?
You're making her blush. Sorry, Mira.
You flatter me. Sarah's lovelier than us all.
I won't argue there. It's quite a feast, isn't it?
Das ist ein
Just be
Charmeur.
careful around the wine. I hear you're partial to a particular Arbor Red. It's easy to forget.
Was?
Nothing you do in King's Landing goes unnoticed. Drink too much once and you're forever the drunken fool. Talk to the wrong people and...
Lord Tarwick!
Hallöchen. Okay, der will wohl nicht mit ihm reden. Wer ist das?
What was that about?
Nothing. That subject isn't fit for your delicate ears anyway.
My ears are not
Da, ist,
delicate.
da sind die Holzkaufmänner-Dinger da.
Stop it!
What?
I mean it. Someone caught your eye, Mira?
My apologies. I just noticed Lords Andros and Morgren over there.
What a shame. Ruining a perfectly good afternoon with that nonsense.
Perhaps someone should encourage them to argue elsewhere. If you'll excuse me.
This reminds me of the tourney at Lannisport. You wouldn't believe it,
You told me this story.
but you would have loved it. We danced all evening, drank wine from our helmets.
That is it! Andros, you're being ridiculous!
Was ist jetzt los? Ah, ich kann jetzt Leute belauschen. Guck mal hier. Ich belausche mal ein bisschen. Sorry. Bin immer noch etwas angeschlagen, wie man mit meiner Stimme hört.
I can't imagine that would be the case.
No need for such wild speculation. I've simply lost interest. I'm moving on to better things, as they say.
And what would that be?
No. I can see what you're doing. I'm not giving away my secrets just yet.
Okay, ich glaube. Achso, das hört dann automatisch auf. Menschenmenge. Ich belausche mal einfach jeden. Warum nicht? Hier setz dich mal ein bisschen hin.
I heard he was killed. Right here in the garden.
Well,
Wasn't he a Lannister?
One of their guard, but still.
Surely they found who did it.
No, they haven't caught him yet. Not for lack of effort, mind
Na
you.
sowas.
I hear they've spared no expense.
Keine Ahnung, wer das war. So. Ihr da? Wer seid ihr? Was bist du? Was ist denn das da? Ansehen. Ja, hallo? Ich bin ein Forester, ich muss mir Sachen ansehen. Was gibt's denn hier zu sehen? Warte.
It seems so calm out there.
Okay, dann werde ich jetzt die da ein bisschen essen. Na, ich will denen jetzt das Zeug weggeben. Ich will nur ein bisschen. Ich gucke mir mal ein bisschen das Essen an. Case. Hallo? Ist keiner mehr hier, den ich beohrmuscheln kann? Wo ist denn der? Ach, da ist er. So, ich gehe mal ein bisschen. So. Da ist eine Bank, die sieht aber bequem aus. Oh, sogar mit Polster. Guck mal, das ist eine evangelische Bank.
It is a lot, but I know how to spend it.
But how did you manage it?
Lord Whitehill trusts me above all others. That's why I'm the only one he's willing to work with.
Oh, an exclusive deal. How good for you, Andros.
Well, I've got my family to consider.
When's the last time you even saw your wife, Andros?
So, okay, kann ich hier noch ein bisschen? Was machen die da? Ich gucke mir mal den Wein an. Käse und Wein.
I recognize that
Das hier
wine.
rein. Oh, das ist der rote Arbor, ja. Das war doch der Typ, der eben gewunken hat, wo der andere so weggeguckt hat. So. Will ich die ein bisschen belauschen? Pass auf. Moment. Das ist wirklich schlimm, hey. Ich habe aber so Bock, dieses Spiel zu spielen. So, ich rede jetzt mal mit Morgrin.
Please, if you'll excuse me.
Letztens auch kurz geholfen und dann...
Lady Mira,
Wird schon
I'm
mit ihm,
impressed.
weißt du?
Impressed with what?
That you aren't currently locked in a cell. I trust this means that you took care of that contract. How did you do it, if I may ask? I wasn't expecting to see you again, if I'm being honest. You must have made quick work of it.
If I tell you how I did it, what's in it for me?
Nothing. But I admire the gall. I do believe King's Landing is rubbing off on you. So, what have you been up to? Enjoying yourself? Though I suppose if you're talking to me, you must want something.
I noticed you and Andros arguing earlier.
I'm sorry you had to see that. I told him it was not the time.
What were you arguing about, if you don't mind my asking?
Well, a bold question deserves a bold answer, doesn't it? I've been pushed out of the Ironwood business.
Oh.
All thanks to my partner. Bloody imbecile. Andros is now Lord Whitehill's exclusive contact in King's Landing. No matter the fact that I introduced them in the first place. That man would be nothing without me.
It appears we have an enemy in common, Lord Morgrin.
I hadn't thought of it that way. Then perhaps you'll have better luck against Andros and his new partner.
Wer hat einen neuen Partner?
Lyman Lannister.
Lyman Lannister.
He's working with
Wer
a
ist das?
Lannister?
A third cousin, to be fair. Whatever Andros is up to, he clearly thinks Lyman can take my place.
Das ist der Langhaarige da.
Rickard! Are you done flirting with that handmaiden? We need your opinion here.
Leave him alone.
Please excuse me.
Danke für die Info. Ich werde mal ein bisschen zu dem langhaarigen Lannister da hingehen. Ist er da drüben wieder, ja? Möchte ich die mal ein bisschen belauschen? Garantiert werde ich die nicht belauschen. Nein. Pass auf. Ich werde sprechen.
Sarah? Lord Tarwick?
Well met, Lady Mira. I hope you're enjoying yourself. Have you had any luck?
Luck? With what?
I saw you talking to Lord Morgrin over there. This place is full of eligible men. I assumed you were on the lookout for a husband.
That isn't really what Mira's interested in.
Nonsense.
Nicht
You must have
verraten,
your
nicht
eye on
verraten, nicht
someone.
verraten.
Oh, don't press her, Garibaldi.
I'm only curious. No harm in that. You can tell me. I can keep a secret, can't I, Sarah?
I was wondering what you could tell me about Lyman Lannister.
Lyman? Really, that story is not appropriate for present company.
That joke's getting a bit tired, don't you think?
I wouldn't want you to think ill of someone you've never met. Don't be angry.
Perhaps later, then.
Perhaps another time.
I should be going.
Stay out of trouble, Mira.
Ja, bestimmt. So, Lyman Lannister, wo bist du denn? Hallöchen. Und alles klar mit dir? Na, wieso tust du alleine hier beim Pudding stehen oder was das ist? Alles klar?
Excuse
ab?
me. Lyman Lannister?
Jesus. Locker bleiben, Junge.
You startled me. As if I don't already have enough to deal with.
You seem nervous, my lord.
I'm not nervous. I just get clumsy sometimes. I'm afraid you have me at a disadvantage, Lady...
Junge, wieso ruckelt denn der?
Mira.
Moment,
Lady Mira.
lass mich das umformulieren. Wieso
I'm not
zittert
used
denn
to being
der so?
approached so boldly. But I'm glad you did. I always feel a bit out of place at big gatherings like this. So, what brings you over here? I'm not the best company, I'm afraid.
Zittert.
Or were you headed for the wine and I got in your way?
Bisschen
You
flirty,
look like you
flirty.
could use some company. What are you doing all by yourself?
I don't mind, really. I only came to discuss some business with Lord Andros.
Lord Andros?
I'm told it's rude to leave early.
Oh? What kind of business?
I really shouldn't talk about it. Andros came to me in confidence. You understand? He wouldn't be pleased, I'm sure.
If you like, you can whisper it in my ear.
Well, I suppose I could just...
Lyman! What do you think you're doing?
What? Nothing.
You stay away from him.
Andros! We were just talking.
You were just talking to Mira Forrester.
Forrester? I didn't realize.
My lord?
Let me say this as plainly as I can. Don't ever meddle in my affairs again!
Jesus. Ja, sorry, das mit dem aus Trouble raushalten hat... Oh,
Lady Marjorie.
ja. Ich muss mich irgendwie versteckele. Lalalala. Nö, die wird auch ihre Zofe nicht von hinten erkennen.
Lady Marjorie.
Hallo? Danke! Er hat uns gerade den Hintern gerettet.
Lady Mira? That was quite a scene over there. Are you all right?
I'm fine. I can handle Lord Andros.
It's Lyman I was worried about.
Was ist mit
What do you
ihm?
mean?
Jetzt soll er mal was erzählen.
Honestly, that story isn't fit for a maiden's ears. Just be careful around him. All right?
Just tell me, Lord Tarwick. It's important.
I may be willing to tell you. If you'll first tell me something about Sarah. Your help could save me a lot of embarrassment. I'd be very grateful, Lady Mira.
What do you want to know about Sarah?
Sarah
shit.
Durwell. Interesting
Oh
name,
shit, er ahnt was.
Funny thing is, the last Durwells died off almost 200 years ago. What can you tell me about her family? Something isn't quite right, but I'm not sure. You must understand, I can't court a woman just because I like the way she laughs. I need to know her family, her parentage.
I've met the Durwells when I was at Highgarden.
Oh?
They're a small house these days, but very well regarded.
Ah, right. Well, that's a relief.
Ich hab's nicht gesehen, was ich gewählt
For a
hab.
moment, I thought...
And
Sorry,
now,
aber komm, sie hat uns
it's your turn.
mehrmals jetzt schon den Hintern gerettet. Da kann man ruhig auch mal was
Right.
für sie machen.
Lyman Lannister.
Ja, genau. Lyman
10 years
Lannister.
ago, Lyman was injured at the tourney at Lannisport. He took a bad fall from his horse. Needed milk of the poppy for weeks just to keep from screaming.
Oh.
Okay.
And between us, he's never stopped drinking the stuff. Can't stop, actually. He spent all his money trying to get more. The man can't go a day without it.
So that's why he shakes.
You mustn't repeat that, Lady Mira. I shouldn't even know about it. Besides, Lyman suffered enough embarrassment. And every man's entitled to his secrets. He'd be horrified if everyone knew.
Then why did you tell me?
Because of... Well, maybe I shouldn't have.
Hätten wir das nicht
I'd
fragen
hate for
sollen.
Lord Andros to trace this back to me.
Ach so. Okay, ich
You
verstehe.
learned
das.
that from Andros.
The man's mouth is bigger than the Blackwater. Poor Lyman has no idea. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some arrangements to make.
Wie die sich
Lady
Blicke
Mira.
zuwerfen, hey. Ja, ist schon klar, wir müssen jetzt zu ihm hier hingehen. Aber schon mal hier sind, kann ich mich noch ein bisschen umgucken. Da hinten war eine Käse. Was ist denn das da? Leimen? Achso, da komme ich doch her, oder? Da ist eine Käsetorte. Ich esse jetzt mal ein Stück. Ich habe voll Hunger gekriegt. Ja, das ist ja wirklich nur ein Fitzelchen, Junge. Mädel. Willst du denn da satt werden? Nee, da gehen wir noch nicht hin. Ich will mich noch ein bisschen umgucken, weißt du? Okay. Ich habe gerade beschlossen, vielleicht will ich mich doch nicht umgucken. Vielleicht soll ich mit ihm reden. Sorry, aber da steht, da stand Marjorie. Das ist vielleicht keine so gute Idee, an ihr vorbeizugehen, sie zu belauschen.
Lord Lyman, we really need to talk.
I know what you're up to. I won't discuss my business with Andros, so please, just leave me alone. You've landed me in enough trouble. Just leave.
Look at you. You're shaking.
It's an old injury.
But there's more to it than that, isn't there?
What are you saying? Either tell me what you want, or go bother someone else. I don't have to stand here and take this.
Lord Andros has betrayed you. I know everything.
What? What do you...
The milk of the poppy. You drink it like wine. Ever since your injury at Lannisport.
He wouldn't... Andros wouldn't...
He's not your friend. He's been using you.
I trusted him.
He spilled your secrets. So why not spill his?
Andros is hiring sellswords. Hundreds of them.
What?
He's building an army for Lord Whitehill, big enough to march against Ironrath. But Andros is doing it in secret. No one knows. Or at least, he doesn't want anyone to know. I told him I'd keep quiet, but...
That army will destroy my family.
That was his hope, I'm sure, but I...
Laut. Oh, shit. Ich sollte weggehen.
You bloody traitor.
Was ist denn jetzt los? Oh.
You promised me. Then you told everyone?
What are you talking about?
You're a liar. I should never have trusted you. She told me everything.
Oh. Kacke. Hättest du sich nicht wenigstens verstecken können? Ai. Da kommt er. Der Pombeer
You've
persönlich.
just made a very grave error. Very grave indeed. You realize that, I hope.
Don't tell me you're afraid of a handmaiden.
Ich sollte vielleicht besser nicht provozieren. Aber okay. Jetzt wird er aber rot hier. Was habe ich vorhin gesagt? Von einer Kacke in die nächste, Ey, ich reite mich hier irgendwie immer tiefer rein. Es wird immer schlimmer. So, was auch schlimm wird für euch ist, dass wir jetzt hier schon wieder Stopp machen. Weil die Annette war gerade da, die Annette halbe Stunde. Und die hat gesagt, reicht jetzt. Morgen machen wir hier weiter.
Potter?
Ciao, ihr Leid, ihr Kinder.